if you create Bible prayer videos, or you are into YouTube, or you are into automation niche, or you are planning on creating a faceless YouTube channel, or you know that creating video from text, which is text to video, has been a major problem for us since Grok stopped giving us free version, and it has really been difficult. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to create text to video, and the best part is that you don't need to start generating picture first. When you generate picture, then convert into video, or generate picture first, then convert to image, then convert to video. No, we don't need that, because that's an old model. So in this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools. I'll show you the AI tools that I used to create from text to video directly, or from text prompt that ChatGPT is going to give us to video. So let's start.
Hi, I'm Google Vibes, AI assistant and a content creator.
So our first step is to head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Let me read the prompt for you because I wrote it on my phone here. So this is the prompt. Write a long prayer script for the title below for my morning prayer. Morning prayer for success. Ask God bless the work of your hands. That's the first prompt you paste into ChatGPT and send it. After we generate the morning prayer, then send it. So after I've generated the morning prayer for success through ChatGPT, the next step is the audio. So, and for us to use audio, text to audio, I'm not going to be using our free application, which is 11 Lab. I'm going to make use of a new different app. So what I'm going to do, go over to our browser and search for Gemini AI Pro. So if you're using for the first time, you click on start for free. Then you go back to ChatGPT and generate the prayer for success. What are you going to do? You go back to ChatGPT and copy prompt for it. You copy it and come and paste it here. You select a voice. You can reduce the speed of your audio. In case you are confused on how to use Gemini Pro, let me know in the comments, because when I first used it, it was confusing. Yes, at first I was not able to use it because they were like I should upgrade, but later I was able to use it. So what you do is you leave it for like 1 minute, then it gets activated for a new account. So you understand? After placing the prompt that you generate from ChatGPT, it will be generated. It says processing. It does not take long before it gets generated. Just look at what I said. The first was I went to ChatGPT. Let me quickly give you a recap of what I've done so far. First, I went to ChatGPT. I pasted the prompt for it to generate the script for me. So you get. Then I went to Gemini Pro, copying the prompt from ChatGPT and pasting to Gemini Pro. For Gemini Pro to what? To generate what? Voiceover. So you understand? So while it's generating, when it's completed, you download to your phone. Now, next we head over back to ChatGPT. I will paste this prompt. Give me 10 image prompts for nature or mountain, whatever I like, but I will prefer nature because of what? Nature is what we use for all our prayer videos. You understand? And it's the best for the prayer request video. And again, the best image for this kind of video is nature video. Sure, yeah, you understand what I'm saying? I want you to know the length of your video is determined by how many images you are going to use. Don't forget, it is text to video. Then send it. Once it is done generating, you copy the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. It's about how many your phone can copy at the same time. My one, I'm using a Samsung phone, so I can copy all the whole text to video prompts at once. You understand? So I'll copy it. After copying some of them, because my phone cannot copy all of them, the reason if we cannot copy it. Next is to go to your browser and search for Google Vids. Then you see this first one, Google Vids AI powered. Before you click on it, make sure that your phone is on desktop mode. You click on three icon, click on desktop mode, swipe down. You are using the internet or what's new. You are using Chrome. If you're using internet browser, you should figure a way out around that one because it's also easy, because it does not work on device. So don't forget to change it. Do you understand? So after I've changed it, make sure it's on desktop mode. Then what? If it's going to be like this interface, then sign up or sign in. Select the mail account you want to use. Do you understand? Let me clear all of that. So when you are done with everything, you see this interface, and this is the interface. You see Vim 3.1 and every other thing. Do you understand? Can you see every other one? But here we are here for what? Vim 3.1. I want you to know, depending on the video you are creating long form content, leave it on what? Landscape. If you are creating short form content, you pick what? Portrait. Can you see what I'm showing you? Just look at my side. I'm showing the visual expression in the side. Then when you click on the Vim 3.1, it's going to take you to all this paid place. Since you are not paying, you go back. You press back. You go back. Then you take back to the previous interface. You still pick that Vim 3.1. Then to show you this interface. If you want to create from scratch, it say is there. If you want to animate your picture, maybe you have a picture already in mind, you click on it and what? It will pop down. Can you see it? Are you seeing what I'm saying? I've been using a lot of picture to video app, and this is one of the best so far. This app that I'm showing right now, this is the best so far because the video quality is great, and I'll paste the prompt I've copied from ChatGPT here. Can you see it?
Then I'll click on the up arrow.
I'll click on generate. But you have limited creation of video, which is what? So you let it to load. Why is loading? I want you to know why is loading. I want you to know that there's limited creation of video in this app. So when you say you have used the whole few credits for the first day, what you do is what? You switch Gmail. You switch Gmail and continue using the what? The same app. So you switch Gmail and continue using it. Because it's only what? It generates up to 8 minutes video. And when it's done, tap on the video. Then it comes up in a big icon. You tap on it and what? Hold it down and click on download. It will say download again. You say yes, download again.
Quick notice, if you are just doing it for the first time, you don't have to leave the website throughout the whole creation. Thank you.
After I download, let me show you the video we download. Let me show you the video. Do you see how clean it is? But if you look at the downside, you will see watermark. Though it's not visible. So that's how you will be able to create all the same for the video. Let me quickly generate another scene. Go back to ChatGPT. You don't even go back to ChatGPT. Just paste the same prompt on that prompt from what I've copied earlier. And let Vim to create it for you.
Do not leave the website when creating it. Do not leave the website unless it will stop creating and you have to start back from that view 3.1. Always make sure that you are there 24/7 when you are creating it, and don't do any mistake. So it's not going to take up to 10 minutes to get created. So in case you have any question, you are free to ask because we have created it now. Now it's time to download it. Hold it down.
So now the last step, which is editing. I will make use of what? CapCut. So now let's go to CapCut application and pick new project and pick each scene, zoom out the watermark. You can reduce the speed. Let me quickly do the good editing. Make it perfect. You can add auto capture. Just look at my side and see as I'm editing it. Add your audio, that's the voiceover. Add music, edit it well. Let me quickly do all the editing. So you edit your video very well. So after editing it, what? You export it. And now the video is ready. Let me play the video for you.
Ask God to bless the work of your hands. Heavenly Father, I come before you this morning with a grateful heart. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for waking me up today. Thank you for the breath in my lungs, the strength in my body.
So I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video and check out my playlist. Then add
So I
AI
hope you
version.
found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.